for Get Out There magazine, and I'm here at Scenic Caves checking out the Thunderbird Zip Line. See you at the bottom! Scenic Caves is pretty much heaven on earth for the outdoorsy or adventure seeker. And even if you don't really consider yourself too outdoorsy, Scenic Caves has something for everyone. It's open all year long, but personally my favorite time to visit is during autumn when all the leaves have changed colors, and during the winter for the amazing cross-country and snowshoeing trails. You might already have an idea of what my favorite activity is, but I want to highlight some of the interesting things to check out at Scenic Caves. There is the Suspension Bridge, which is the longest suspension footbridge in Ontario. The place wouldn't be called Scenic Caves without a bunch of scenic caves. For people who are looking for a little more excitement, there's the Eco Adventure Tour. Of all the activities at Scenic Caves, my favorite has to be the Thunderbird Twin Zip Lines. Participants start at the Thunderbird Nest, a 50-feet tower that gives you a panoramic view of what you're about to do. The Thunderbird allows you to soar over the escarpment and is one of the most unique ways to enjoy scenic views of southern Georgian Bay. Scenic Caves is a great outdoor activity adventure center for families, first dates, or fun with a group of friends. And their name pretty much says it all. Whatever you decide to do will be scenic, adventurous, and a fun opportunity to enjoy nature. Scenic Caves is a perfect place to get out there, enjoy the great outdoors, and a must-do for adventurous Ontarians.